Okay, guys, let's continue. Before we get into Next.js, there's only one thing that we need to do. We need to create our own identity instead of this one. Why are we creating our own identity? When I was searching on Google, before I continue, I thought to myself, let me just search this company and see what is it and what it does, because I just got this from FIGMA community. So I don't know much about this brand and everything before I get into the execution, so that I can eliminate some confusion beforehand. You never know. Maybe it might happen this is a real company. So a quick search might help. So when I searched on Google, I just saw few of these. Okay. It looks like these exist in real life. Okay, this application exists in real life. As you can see, somebody decided to create it, and it's Feniro Tech or something. So there is some sort of a company behind it. Okay, so maybe let's say it's a tech company or a design company. So creating something with their own logo, I don't think, as much as it's for educational purposes, but I don't think it's the best way to go about it. Okay. So thanks to my search beforehand, okay, now what we are going to do, we're just going to create our own logo. We are going to leave everything as it is, okay, because this is only for educational purposes. I am not going to make this a proper company, okay, but we need to some sort of create our own version of this. Okay, obviously it's going to be different. We are just going to some sort of keep the design and the colors and everything. It's for educational purposes only. Okay, so with that being said, as you can see, guys, whatever that we were trying to do, it's already been created. Okay, and I like this is awesome. So if you might want to check it, you can come and check it. Okay, obviously here on Google there are many searches around it. There's also a GitHub page somewhere. Okay, so feel free to just come here and check what's going on. So let's go back here. Obviously, we are not going to make this design some sort of what can I say, a complicated thing. So this is how we are going to do it. We are just going to go to SVG repo. Okay, and then I'm just going to search a chair here. Okay, a chair, something that symbolizes furniture, and that's it. Okay, for me, I like which one? Looks like I'm confused now. Let's see which one that can be some sort of a nice logo here. I think this one works for me. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're just going to click on edit, copy SVG, nothing much, and we are going to paste it here. Okay, as you can see, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. So what we need to do, we need to double click on it so that we can get the actual SVG. This is a frame. So when you drag this, okay, as you can see, it's going to snap out of the frame. Now it's out of the frame, and then you have removed it like that. Okay, so what we are going to do, let me just give it a frame. Okay, as you can see, so I'm going to take it inside this frame. As you can see, I'm happy with this. Now what I want to do, I want to change this color to our primary color, which is this one. Okay, and then what we are going to do, we just need to give this a name. Okay, obviously, nope, this is not what I want. Okay, so even the name doesn't have to be that meaningful. Okay, so I'm just going to call our own application furniture. Okay, but obviously with a twist there. Okay, let's do it like this, furniture. Okay, let me just remove this. As you can see, it looks like everything is expanding. Okay, let me just copy this and copy this one. In fact, let me just take it out for now. Okay, take it out for now. Happy with that. So this is going to be our new brand. Okay, so let's just do a quick Google search to see if this is not I hope there is nothing around it. Okay, as you can see, this is furniture. Okay, as you can see, guys, I think we are winning here. Okay, there is nothing like this one. Okay, so this is the best name. So as you can see, guys, we've just let me make it bold. Happy with that. Okay. Okay, as you can see, guys, so now what I want to do, I want to highlight this and press Shift A to make it an auto layout, and then let me click the auto layout. Okay, and let me press V for more detail. As you can see, guys, so let's center this. Okay, as you can see, so now everything is has been centered. Okay, I'm happy with this, guys. So now we've got, sorry about that, let's click on this one. Let's scale it up a little bit. So now we've got a new logo. Okay, we've got a new logo. The reason why I'm creating this new logo, I don't like confusion, and I don't want something that will block me from continuing with everything. Okay, we are going to deploy this on Vessel, so it's going to be publicly available. So I don't want anything that might be some sort of you never know, a conflict of interest or whatever. Okay, so that's why now we are changing. Okay, so let's just take this new identity, maybe try to replace the existing one just to see how it's going to look. Okay, okay, let me first of all change this to white. Okay, let's change this to white, and then let me drag it and fit it in somewhere here. It looks like it's not fitting. Let me press Control while doing that. Control, usually when you press Control it will fit here, but I don't really mind much. I can just come here directly and delete this one, as you can see, and then put this one here. Okay, it looks like everything is still working fine for me. Okay, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy with this identity, as you can see. Okay, now we've got a new identity, furniture, and we can go ahead and deploy this on Vessel and also do whatever that we want, but we will always give credit where it's due. Okay, this is the inspiration. So, and I think that's all. Okay, so we've got a new identity, and now we are good to go. I think one last thing before we finish this lesson, we just have to have a dark version of the logo and a white version of the logo. Okay, and a white version of the logo. So let me just make this black, press V, and then change this to black. Okay, okay, this is not the black that I'm looking for. Okay, this is the black that I'm looking for. So double click, let's delete this and let's add this one. So this is how things are going to be now. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is the new identity. And also in terms of images, I was going to continue with these images exactly, but since now this is a real life application, you never know, some images are subject to copyright and all those things. So we are going to look for our own images. Okay, and that's about it. Thank you so much if you have made it this far. I'm Matthew Msingathi, the designer and developer from South Africa. See you on the next one.